Hello, class. Today we're gonna start with the best subject ever, because today is the first day of school. And of course, the first day of school has to be special. So we're gonna start with the best subject ever, which is, drumroll please, math! I know, you're really excited. Dot, dot, dot. Look at you, you're so excited. Okay, now let's actually start. Ring. Oh no, the bell rang. What a shame. We're having so much fun. Okay then, bye. It's lunchtime.